Okay, so 2 years ago I did a video about the 191st Street subway station. I had seen people calling it the worst station in New York City, and so I thought I'd take a look. I don't think it's the worst I've ever seen, but it was certainly messy. Since I went down there in 2022, the MTA, I assume, underwent a little beautification project initiative on it. So what they did is they whitewashed the tunnel walls, the pedestrian walkway tunnel, for which 191st Street is famous, and they fixed up some of the lighting, and that was an issue. So I'm going to go down there with the Pocket 3, take a look. Let's see if it still looks as bad as it did 2 years ago. Press start. So here, physically at 190th and Broadway, is the entrance to the 191st Street number 1 train subway station on the IRT line, the Interborough Rapid Transit. So I came to see if it looks any better, and I can tell you right away, it doesn't. They even graffitied the Beautification Project sign. A couple of new security cameras up in here, but by and large it's still the same gloomy experience that it was before. There's still puddles of water that you have to navigate because there's leaks all over the place. And yeah, these murals are, I guess, sort of pleasant, but there's nothing overly interesting about them either. They're basically just patterns, repeated patterns, and vibrant colors. Yeah. In terms of beautification, I don't see a whole lot of it, and I'll try and include a clip from my original video so you can see what it looked like before compared to now. But it's pretty much a coin toss whether then or now is better. For me, I preferred it before. So it may not be the worst subway station in New York. It's certainly not the prettiest, and it's not the driest. These puddles are here even during the summer, so there's some infrastructure issues there somewhere. Not really getting much of a beautification look. This bit's more interesting, actually. It's something a lot of people are searching for, status. Of course, it must be said, we love New York. And contrary to popular opinion, I've seen no rat nor evidence thereof. Nor did I see any steam. I believe that this last stretch was from before the project. So this is where you're actually coming to get on the train. And that really looks like just about any other train station. This mosaic is nice, but it was here before. And this is the train platform with our new train safety guards, which somebody said looked like they came from a Lego set or something, and I can't get that idea out of my mind. So these are supposed to help prevent people from getting pushed onto the tracks. Anyway, so that was 191st Street subway tunnel. Not much improvement is my final verdict. But wouldn't have known unless we came, would we? So if you enjoyed this in any way, please hit like, subscribe, share with all your friends. I gotta go home and plan out where I'm gonna go for the next video. Later, y'all.